this Niger, every day na beto. We dey hustle, we dey yarn, we dey sweat oh. Inside shop, we go geese, we go vex oh. But we go still laugh, forget the stress oh. For this Niger, everybody get their own matter. For this Niger, we dey bet you hope say tomorrow better. Baba talks if you all don't rise again. Mama shout, now who go pay the rent? Them promise change, we still dey wait. But we go still bet on government. Chelsea lose, Arsenal draw. Bro some break phone, say you don't tire. But before you vex,
waiting this girl they even post to safe. No they wish they post something I don't understand. Jesus! Hey! Na lie. Chima! Hey! Jesus! Just like that. Hey, Pastor Kosi!
What happened?
See you! Alex, come on!
I know say something dey wrong. See me, I no say for that AMBC award. I know say something dey wrong.
Oh God, this actor why they crush you when they fight like this, just die like that.
See, first of all, may his soul rest in perfect peace. What happened? Alex Ekubo. Alex. I see na joke. What be joke now?
What you say? And the actor they very playful. And that's why anytime you see him with the fellow actors, and I say they play, they laugh, it's just like that.
And a good person. What's happened? Now Alex Ekubo die.
Mori, I saw it too. I saw everything. It's trending.
Not 40.
Hey, why you can hear this?
Just say it.
The boy they crush on him now. Fine boy like this, I do that at 40 years. What you don't do with your life? Just like that, you just go.
Wait, I sympathize with you, but you are still crushing on the person that is dead. What is wrong with you? She fell on my love, Lord. You want to go and meet him in heaven?
God, it is painful now.
You will calm down. He has gone. We that we are alive. God should protect us and keep us. Let the dead enjoy their way. You understand? And we enjoy our own life here too.
Come, where did you see the story?
Na person post up for WhatsApp status so.
WhatsApp.
Pastor is everywhere. I've seen it.
WhatsApp is the shepherd story.
He's everywhere. I've seen it. See, even people are very started saying things about him. That he's Gabriel. He have children outside. As in so many bad things, negative things.
No, I'm hearing positive things about him. Like you said, he's a lover of Christ.
Yes, I saw that one too.
Yes,
I saw it. He's a person that is very close to God.
You see this guy. Everybody talks say since last December when this guy post say he dey active. Ever since that time, he no dey even come online. He no dey post. He no dey do anything.
It's 2024.
So something happened underground to this boy, and everybody no know. But wait kill am?
They say na cancer. Cancer na him kill am.
The same cancer wey Blessing see your claim say she get. What you say?
Na Blessing see you abeg.
See, I will not lie to you. The government has just put eyes on what we are eating and drinking. Because all these things, they have bad effects on our health. See, people now are dying. Cancer. I have seen it severally. Different people, young people are collapsing because of cancer. They should do something about it.
Yes, now all this Indomie, they should
Indomie, Maggi, all these things, they should just work on it. All these things, all these men there, they should put eyes on it.
Yes, so.
It's how they have to do something about it too.
Because I know say na your crush be this but calm down. It don't happen like this already. We know say this boy na good person. The first thing we see na say most of all the good side of him come dey show for surface for internet.
That is it, so that
in this life,
you just have to be very careful.
We don't even know whether he don't marry self. He don't born pikin. He don't die like that.
He has 2 kids, but I know that's rumor. I've only hear saying na Gabriela self.
No, Wugbo, you don't know. They are just saying
God forbid, it's not Gabriela.
People are just saying things. I even hear say he get children outside. I read a lot of things about him. I got to find that he's very close to God.
Yes, very close to God. Even before he died, he even they link up with all these gospel artists. They just even release one of his songs when he do before he even die safe.
Where Ebuka songs?
That guy will sing. I will pray, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me.
Person will love God.
That is life.
Person will love God like this.
They will say things when you are gone. That is life, oh.
I don't know whether I even hear that one, that rumor will come at that time. Say one girl like that will be in girlfriend come and say they beat him, abi they cheat, abi.
That was just what
since that time, I waiting make the girl just lock up like this. Come they come social media again. Now we don't hear say he don't die. Now everybody now go get peace. Now everybody go rest.
God will keep it so.
It's okay. See,
right.
Ngozi, your cross has died. What carpenter is here now?
Nah, pastor.
Sorry.
Pastor.
I'm trying to.
How many times I call you?
Pastor.
I go command myself. The pastor do something for this year.
I know say pastor, you try, Sha. I know she not go agree for me.
You don't forget say two of them they get something come on. You just do as if you know get something come on. So often now let's
like go to church now.
Which chorister in church? I mean, chorister be she sing. She be chorister for church, but she sing for you for inside room.
Hey,
for my head.
Now my guest is going to use. What you going to use? Food.
I go follow and go that church one day. I go follow that church.
How many times I don't share flyer give you?
I know why she don't agree for me now. This why? Because I'm not Chike.
This man.
Shebi last time when me and you they talk say that who want to be a millionaire, the man he cheat on his wife. He this and that, the wife cheats. What do you talk? So now news don't come out.
See, man, I tell something.
News don't come out now.
You see Chike, he don't use his own hand, take spoil character.
Lie. I will run to him all the time. I will not spoil anything.
I will not lie to you.
You will run to Chike.
I go run to her.
You run to Chike.
I will run. Run.
Now why do you sing that song?
I be running.
You run it to
I go run to her.
I pity you.
Yes.
I pity you.
Yes.
You are fall under the category of other girls.
Leave her.
Leave her.
Shey na you that time they talk say woman wetin dem go ever give them this and that. Man wey be woman beater. And I no go see those on top.
Bitter case.
I
mean, now all men in this one. Now all men in this one.
I don't argue that one. That is not beating. That is correction. That is correction.
Okay, my we talk something now. Most time I talk about men they beat men. I never even talk about wetin the women they do with the trigger men to take raise their hands on top the women.
Don't see am.
The way they see all of una.
Don't put me oh.
Una wan make this boy career end. Now they see Chike now as bad person. But I don't see all this why because that woman, that I know wife, now very quiet, calm woman. She then they come and the voice and say, my husband do me this, my husband do me that. You know what the woman don't see for that marriage? You make her go outside, go they cheat.
You see,
before woman go cheat, you know saying don't suffer for that marriage. Women need they cheat anyhow. You know be public toilets like una. Yes. Women supporting women. Now Batty they like support this woman. See that guy career, he don't go. He don't go like that. Because tell me how you go use your own money take higher person where you can sing for your wedding.
Then your woman will come
man will sing around another person wife because sing for your own wedding.
My baby will trip.
For waiting. If you like not treat your baby well. Now your baby will trip. If you like not treat her well, you go trip.
I trust Chike.
You go trip.
He will learn from his mistakes. See, I won't love the fact say BDM don't even make video way. You don't pick point things way go spoil this boy career. Me, I think what's anything good for this guy to say? If he only go just listening to all those videos and learn from his mistake and make other men too not fall for this kind problem.
Wait, make I tell you now.
Ade, I will not lie to you. All this praise that given to Chike because of what he did, he's entering his head though. He's really making him proud of himself.
Has he come outside to say anything?
He hasn't said anything. That's why he has not apologized.
What do you want to talk now? Apologize to who?
I haven't seen current post save. I see one video where he go on event, he take picture for red carpet. You see him, he go over say for his face, he dey fake him smile. He tell you say that guy, you know what do bad, and he dey face the consequences already said.
But if he don't apologize yesterday.
Yes, now you people are always supporting yourself now. Now, all these people now they talk now. Say na the woman cheat, not even a problem.
Wait, so he never apologized.
Say na the woman wait, more reach somewhere. Say na the woman cheat, not even a problem.
The two of them cheated now.
Now you know say that man now will be frank. He don't marry two wives. Sure, you know.
You don't work out, Sandra. Why is it?
Don't push me out of the conversation.
Okay, I'm hearing you. Yeah, talk.
Sure, you not say he married 2 wives. The first wife now don't come and come to say. Before man go marry, 2 wives, one marriage is spoiled. Now the second one now don't dey spoil. It's supposed to see that man get bad character. Una no go see those on top. Now the first one now don't come and come to say now he dey beat her, he dey abuse am. Screenshot. Okay, you know the current now. Let me know the couple anyhow. Imagine person wey come and talk say be king of malice. Pastor, you imagine am now.
Yes, I see
now
that
they
thing
support person. Men are polygamous.
No, they are maybe they are polygamous in nature, man.
Now so now kind infection come meet person for house. Some man
sure,
mouth
Pastor.
go open like way
Sure,
to condemn person.
Show him God.
You are the
Pastor,
way
show him
to
God.
see you give
I think
us.
you
And I don't want you give me, you know they come out come they chop food, you go sit in a place.
Ah,
Make I see you
that
the
was dry, yeah.
So you are walking away.
Sure,
No, why not go walk
sure,
away?
dry,
Men
yeah.
are polygamous.
Character.
Every time they support
You
bad
see?
thing.
You see the bad character I'm talking
Ooh,
about.
Chike career
This
no
is
go
argument.
end.
It's okay
Now
now.
go find on our own life.
You see me, woman
Bye-bye.
matter. I don't call my hands. Women are blood-sucking animals.
She funny, oh. This is how they are.
As I did like this, say, see woman matter, you don't pass my power like this now. Man, they work at jeje o. See you later
Oh,
o.
Pastor.
No,
bread at table. I don't see bread at
No,
this
wait,
in that
let me
place.
lock my door now. Let's live together now.
Mo, Nera, don't come with you.
Wait,
I'm
let me
not
lock my
for
door.
you.
We are going together.
I want to use my money and enjoy myself.
Just calm down.
And there you go, yeah, government gist. We go laugh, we go shout, we go argue tire. But Niger go still they inspire. Hey. Ah, for this Niger. Hey. We go still they bend for better wahala.